I put in some proprietary stuff in each one, which I've discovered extends the range of their effectiveness, of their vibration. So most of my OGs, will have quartz, amethyst, hematite or black tourmaline, selenite, kyanite. There's black kyanite and blue kyanite. Kyanite is an interesting little crystal. It's self-cleaning. There are only two self-cleaning crystals, but I use kyanite. So if you can see chunks of it in my OGs, I have powders of it, fine crystals, and I'll just take a pinch and I'll put it in my pocket OG, for example. If you look at it, you'll see the larger crystals. All of the pocket OGs have amethyst in them, selenite. They'll have either rose quartz or clear quartz, citrine. I vary them, but they'll all have at least minimally four or five different crystals in it. And then I put in some proprietary stuff in each one, which I've discovered extends the range of their effectiveness, of their vibration. Amethyst comes in geodes. They crack open the geodes, and then they take a hammer and they whack out the amethyst crystals. So there's a lot of powder that's left over. So I go to the crystal store and I buy a bag of this powder. I said, save it for me. I can use the stuff. They sweep it off the floor because it flies everywhere. So they save me a bag of powder, and then I use a pinch of amethyst crystals. Doesn't matter what size it is. Small is just as good as large. We have this thing, oh well, the larger the crystal, the more powerful it is. Well, yes, perhaps, but not necessarily. It's a vibration. It's the frequency that is given off. And it's like it has an energy signature, and each crystal has its own energy signature. That's why we have kyanite, which has a different one, and citrine has a different one, and amethyst has a different. But the universal crystal is quartz, because it's both a sender and a receiver, and it's most easily acquired. And it's been around for a long time. You have Lemurian quartz, which is striated, special. It has special properties, and if you buy Lemurian, they charge you more for it because it has those extra special properties.